Hey, how's it going, Leonard? It's Devin. I just got off the phone with Jocelyn. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix really quickly so you can start beating Polk Air Conditioning. These guys show up at the top when you type in AC Repair Winter Haven FL, and I just picked that because there's a lot of search volume and you can rank there easily. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. Most business owners are so busy taking care of their customers, they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I make these free attack plans and I just give them away. A lot of business owners just take them and do it themselves, but some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is just to help you out and educate you a little bit. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And I wanted to start off by saying that you have a really beautiful website. Whoever designed it is obviously a professional, and I really like the look of your logo. It's really unique. Having a chat box is a great idea. The colors look nice, the animations are great, and then you have some coupons right in the front. So it's a really great website. Now, what Google cares most about when it comes to ranking is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read. They want to see a lot of it. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. So if I take all of your content and I put it into a word counter, you have 482 words on your homepage. If we go to Polk Air Conditioning, we take all their content, we put it in, they have 488. So it's a very, very small amount. Honestly, it's so minute, you probably wouldn't have to worry about it. But the important factor here is both of you guys are not at 2,000. By getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. Now, one quick thing is you also want to make sure where it says AC Repair Winter Haven, Florida, this is called a keyword. It's just a commonly entered phrase into Google, and you want to have keywords inside of your content. So if I go and I copy this and then I go search your homepage, you can see it doesn't show up anywhere. So you want to make sure that when you're writing the extra content, you put that in there a couple times. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is important. Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for you, but they want to see relevant websites. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have other HVAC companies linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's a bunch of free tools out there. But all you have to do is look up like backlink checker or keyword planner. You can find all this data. So you're going to see that you have 216 websites linking to you, while Polk Air has 54 websites linking to them. So you're probably thinking, what the heck, I have more. Well, that goes into what I talked about, having more relevant websites linking to you than them. The easiest way to beat them is just to copy them, because if these links are good enough to rank them, then they're good enough to rank you too. So you just go visit all the websites that are linking to them, and just like they had to do, you put a link on each website pointing back to your homepage. Typically, you just create a profile and put a link in your profile, or maybe you like email the owner by clicking contact us. But whatever they had to do, you're going to have to do too. And by following just those 2 tips, that's how you become #1 organically. If you want to be #1 for the ads, you just bid higher than your competitors. If you want to be #1 right here in the Google My Business section, this is the best place to show up. It's where the most traffic goes. It's free to get here. What you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages. So what I would recommend you did was figure out what directories top-notch air was in. I'd put myself in those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. So if they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, Leonard. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. Quick recap: you want 2,000 words on the homepage. You want keywords inside of that content. You want to take the links that are linking to Polk Air and get those websites linking back to wattsac.com. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than top-notch air conditioning. If you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. What I recommend you do now is implement this as soon as possible. It does take time to get all this stuff done, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you start ranking to the top of Google and getting a ton of calls. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you just want to continue running your business and you want someone else to do this for you, feel free to give me a call at any time. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching this, Leonard. Have a great day.